Hi, my sunshines! So today I'm gonna be rating and showing all of my squishies. Paper squishies, by the way. Okay, so first is we have this Rubik's Cube. It's actually kind of nice, but it would be better if like it doesn't like I can't explain it, but just listen to this. It's like a slushy one. So next is we have this small cheese. It's actually the small one. I actually have a jumbo one, but that's a big, so I'm gonna save it for last. And I also have a big butter, by the way. Next is this cookies and cream. I kept it because I used to have a DIY ice cream shop, but it broke, so I kept the squishy. And there's actually another one. Oh, by the way, I rate this 9 of 10 because like the squishy is so good. And by the way, I rate this 7.5, and the cheese 6 out of 10. Okay, so next is my most recent one, which is the cookie one. It's slow rising. Look, it's so slow rising. It's both sided. Like, listen to this, y'all. This actually sounds so satisfying and so good. So next is we have. Oh, I rate this at 10 out of 10. Next is we have this. Do you guys know the OG rainbow cake? Look, when you like slice it, you will get this. It's actually so nice. I rate it 8 out of 10. Next is I already did this right. Okay. It's this Chips Ahoy. It's actually also pretty nice, but it's like missing a lot of stuffing. So I rate this 5 out of 10. Next is this Budak. Like, listen to this. 9 out of 10. Yeah, this is actually my favorite one. It's like a cake, a piece of a square piece of cake. Like, listen to this. Next is we have this red one. This is actually supposed to be slow rising, but I was too rushed. So 4 out of 10. Next, as I have this iPad, um, 5 out of 10. Next is this the bar chocolate. It's actually so nice. I rate this. I rate this one 8 out of 10. Next is this Kinder Joy one. This I had this since 2025. Uh, 4 out of 10. Next, Talkies. 6 out of 10. Which one? Wait, hold on. Oh, next is this Yoo chocolate milk. Okay. Next is this mochi. I actually love this one. 8.5 out of 10. Wait. Okay, I think. Oh, this 2x. Yeah, I think I filled this with paper. It's this has been for with me since 2025 March. Yeah. So yeah, it's an OG. I rate this one a 7 out of 10. Oops. Okay, also these two will be the last ones I'll be showing you guys. This first is this puppet, and this is also one of the OGs. 5 out of 10. And this Nutella, it's actually sticky. I rate this one a 7 out of. I rate this one a 7 out of 10. Okay, y'all, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for so that you could be notified on my videos. Bye.